Hey, it's your girl Jere with a video for Jere's Locs. How y'all doing? Okay, so I just dropped in today. I don't even have the regular setup. I just got my phone in my hand today. And we're gonna talk about these locks. Okay, we're gonna talk about these starter locks, okay, and we're gonna get right on into it. So let's go. So I am back. So this is what we're going to talk about, these starter locks today. I just decided to get some natural light and I didn't take it into the bathroom, but it is what it is. We're going to just go right on through it. Today we're going to talk about these starter lock tips. That is just some things I learned first go around and second go around, you know what I'm saying? Locks today, I ain't really feeling it, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's gonna be many days I don't and you ain't gonna be feeling your hair. It just isn't. I had somebody say to me, oh, I want to do it, but I'm so scared. Like, I'm scared to do it, and I don't want to, you know, and I get it. I mean, I get it, because it's going to be days your hair going to be looking correct. We're not going to even sit up here and play like it ain't. It is, you know what I'm saying? For me to even get on today, I had to go in there and spray my hair down, put some coconut oil on it, fluff it out. I mean, and then you just get to the point where it's like, it is what it is. We're finna talk about this hair, but it is what it is, and you just have to go through it and be whatever. Like, you have to be confident in yourself. That's why I found myself like, look, it is what it is, because I know it's gonna be cute later on, and some might even like it now. You know what I'm saying? It goes through different stages. You're gonna go through different stages. You're gonna go through, you know, so much about, you know, it's gonna be like really, you know, transforming before your eyes. So I just want to go through a couple of tips. Tip number one is moisturize your hair. Moisturize your hair. It's a little different with locks. Normally with loose hair, I would moisturize, have a good moisturizing cream. I have me a couple of oils on deck. I have me either some olive oil, coconut oil, all the oils. I even use rose oil. I've used lavender oil, not the lavender oil you just put into the diffuser, because you kind of have to have another oil with that for it to work out. But I use, I'm right by my window, sorry y'all. Rose water, that's also a good thing. But anyway, I put it in my spray bottle, hunty, which you can get that spray bottle. What I do is mix some water, some rose oil, some rose water, oil of your choice, but I also mix some olive oil in there, you know, and I mean, you just do what you gotta do. And I spray this down twice a day. You know, spray it down. Like in the beginning, you'll be spraying your hair a lot because it needs the moisture. And really with locks and stuff, you can't put a lot of creams and a lot of olive oil in your hair. I mean, yes you can. You can't put a lot of like moisturizing creams in your hair because it'll have buildup, and you don't want no buildup on your hair. So you basically have to stick with like a water oil mix. You know what I'm saying? Because it really, the locks eat up the oil and the water, and you just have to spray it. It's like you have to just spray your hair down a lot in the shower, just like a little run through. You ain't got to like drench your hair down, but like water it down though. Just a good little spritz, you know, and to keep it going. So that's one thing. Moisturize. I have color in my hair, as you can see, so therefore it's going to be even more drier, that you have to keep a lot of moisture in your hair. Aloe vera oil is really aloe vera juice and gel is really good, but that's the only gel I put in my hair. I don't put any other kind of gel in my hair. All that causes buildup. So it's a lot different from loose hair. You have to do a lot of different things differently. And so for me, I had been locked for I had been natural, a loose natural for like 7 years prior to me doing my hair. the first time in Locs. So it is, you know, a situation where it's just a little different. You have to tweak it when you keep creams and stuff like that away from your hair. Keep it away. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so next thing, cover your hair. That's one important thing, especially at the beginning with starter locks. You have to keep it protected. Even with your loose hair, you do. Here's my bonnet. And when I don't have my bonnet, or I don't feel like putting the bonnet on, I have me like a little silk rag, or like a cotton, not cotton, but it's satin, and you tie it around your hair. It's really good for like longer locks. That's why it's so long when I had longer locks, but I still keep it for my short locks too, and I just keep my hair tied up. Okay, tied up every night, or just not even like if you laying around, you ain't got up for the day, or like you ain't gonna do nothing, keep it tied up. What you doing it for? You ain't doing nothing but sitting on the couch or sitting on the in the bed chilling. Don't undo your hair if you ain't going nowhere. Keep it covered, okay? Keep your hair covered, okay? I'm just routine. My wash routine right now, it gets a little different when it's shorter and I'm starting it out. I wash a little bit more frequently, okay? So I might wash my hair maybe every 2 weeks, okay? I might retwist my hair every 3 weeks, because the shorter it is and you're trying to get it to lock. Look, I retwisted this hair when I did my last video, and that's almost a week. Let me see, I put it up, working on 2 weeks. It don't look bad, but it don't look the way it was. You see, it's a lot of frizziness, but get ready for the frizz, because you need it to be frizzy. It has to be frizzy in order for it to lock, you guys. Take the frizz. It's not gonna be this uniform slick look. If that's what you're looking for, you're not gonna get it now, okay? You're not gonna get it with locks, okay? Do your research, but frizz is important. It might not look good to you, you might not like the look, but it is gonna be crucial in the first 9 months or so of your lock journey. So stick in there, girl, because you know what? And guys, because we ain't gonna do that, okay? We ain't gonna make it seem like it's just a girl thing. The guys be looking good in your locks too, hunty. We watching you. But anyway, so basically frizz is good. So I wash every 2 weeks or so. All right, and then I mentioned twisting. So I use different stuff. Some people use aloe vera gel. I have. Some people just twist with water and maybe like an oil or something. But my hair, I need a little something. I've used different twist creams. I'll probably add the other one because I forgot the name of it. What is it? Tight. I forgot the name of it. It's the Tighten Hold. I have a picture over here. Don't get twisted. I had to get something last minute, and I just talked about creams and to stay away from them. This don't give me a lot of build up at all, but this is what I use. If y'all can see, it's a glare, huh? Child, can we get the glare? Okay, woo. So it's called Tropical Roots Twist Cream, and it has, let's see, it has new with pineapple and guava. Okay, it smells kind of good. It smells good. Seals the ends, starts and maintains braids, locks, and twists, so you can use it with your braids or your twists if you're doing some, like, you know, mini twists or something like that. It holds okay. No artificial colors. It's for all natural hair color styles. It's okay. I like it. It's alright. You know what I'm saying? It does what it need to do. You know what I'm saying? I haven't fallen in love with any twisting gel or cream that I'm just like, oh, this is my staple. Like, even back then, I'm just like trying to remember, but I'm like, not really. I tried a few different things. Some did okay, some didn't do that great, and so it's like, let's see what else I need. I told you about the rose water. Let me go get you some rose water. Okay, I had to go to the bathroom and get the rose water, but here you go. White rose water, and it's actually for your face, skin, and hair. I just got it at the local beauty supply. It says purifying, anti-aging, balancing. So it's for face, skin, and hair, herbal and organic. get into it. How much it costs? $6.99. I've had this for a while. I put it on my face too. But okay, I'm gonna have to do a skin routine thing. I don't play by my rose, by my wild growth hair oil. I don't play by this. This work. Read your scalp with this. By 2 or 3 weeks, you'll see a difference. This got my edges back, y'all. This got my edges back. I lost them again, so I'm gonna have to put some more. But this is almost, well, this is empty, y'all. But yeah, wild growth oil. This is for anything. This ain't just for no locks. This is for any type of hair, any kind of hair, natural or relaxed. If y'all still doing that, who's still getting their hair relaxed? So another thing is just let your hair breathe and let it do what it do. I had put a lot of protective styles on top of my hair. Over, you know, like I said in my previous video, I put a couple of different things like braids, box braids, locks, faux locks and stuff like that. And it was okay because I was trying to get it to a length that I was comfortable with. And I feel like your comfortability is important to you. So whatever you comfortable with, like those is like, I want to do it, but I'm not ready, or like I'm scared because how it's gonna look. I'm gonna be walking around with twigs on my hair. No, you're not, girl. You are, but it's like it's gonna be okay. That's just how all of them look. I don't know. Now I've seen people start their starter locks with longer hair, and that was cute. I mean, you know, I would rather that, but I don't feel like going through doing no loose hair and doing some twist outs and braid outs on my hair. Look, I don't even know how to do no twist out on my hair no more. I tried when it was shorter than this. And I tried to do a couple of coils, and I was like, did I lose my touch? But I did, because I mean, I had been locked for 3 years. I do my baby hair, you know, her hair. I do her hair because it's natural or whatever. But I'm like, dang. And then products wasn't working on my hair no more. I was like, I used to live by this oil moisturizer, and it was like, nah, girl. It was by it was Cream of Nature. I think Cream of Nature had that red and gold line, with that argan oil line. I might throw a picture up here. I used to do all my twist outs with that, and I would moisturize my hair with that stuff. And girl, I tried again. I revisited. I'm like, did y'all change your formula? My hair just tripping. Wish your hair can go through changes, and like certain products might not work no more. You try something else and it works better. Like, you have to play around with certain things, especially when you're loose natural, finding what products work for you, what don't work for you. And like with locks, you don't have that much maintenance, which I love, because ain't nobody got time. I love being natural, but I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to you. I enjoy having my locks. You know what I'm saying? And I'm content with where they are now. I'm content with the number of them that I have, the size that I have. I'm content. But it's a lot of work being natural. I don't know who told somebody that natural was like, going natural is like, it's just easier. No, it ain't easier. By no means. And locks is not like, no, it's like, it's lower. Like I said, I always say it's a lower maintenance hairstyle. Like it's a you don't go through a lot. You don't put a lot of products in your hair, because we can't, because you don't want build up. But it's like, you just do a certain amount and that's it. We don't want no build up. That would break your locks out. So all right, so basically just keep your hands out of your hair a lot. You know, I know it's kind of hard at first, but like, let it be. Let it, if it's one going straight up in the hair, just let it go in the hair. You know, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Let it do what it do, because it's just going through its changes. You know what I'm saying? Just let it go. Don't fool around with it, and try not to make I don't want to say a big deal, but just don't obsess like your girl did. I obsessed the first time around. I'm not gonna lie. I was so obsessed. I was doing all kind of research. Now, I think it's always good to do research, because research is just good anyway. especially when you in new territory. And it's just never, you know, I still look at lock videos. I still, you know, do a lot of that because nothing wrong with that, but don't be too obsessive and then too eager to get, I want it to be this one. This is lock goals. And I'm like, yeah, but it takes a while. And I'll say the first year will be difficult. It gets so much better after that. Second year, you're like, okay, you don't even care no more. I know I didn't. I was like, ugh. I just did a little something to my hair, made sure it was moisturized here and there, and retwisted every 4 to 6 weeks and kept it moving, kept it pushing. I didn't think that much about it because you just don't have a lot to do with your locks on an everyday basis. You just, you know, it's not that deep, and I love that part of it. So I say stay away from all kind of gels. Because that just leaves buildup as well. Edge control is okay. I feel like for edges, I don't mind doing a good edge control or whatever. I'm not putting it down the shaft of my lock. It's just my edges. I can deal with that, and I wash my hair out anyway, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So if you do decide to use some edge control, girl, it's okay, guys. You know, do what you do. Like I say, just keep it moisturized. I'm gonna give you a tip though. This worked for my hair. I don't know if it's gonna work for everybody. I don't know. People might feel the way they feel. I really don't know. I don't know why I'm doing these. I'm doing too much. Tip. Like with this bottle here, put you a little lemon juice in it. Just a little bit. This much. In your mixture, it help your hair lock. My hair started locking about 8 months. And sometimes it takes people longer. But I noticed a tremendous difference when I sprayed my hair down with some, you know, and I have like a lemon juice in it. I don't know what to do. I got this from another YouTuber years ago. I don't even know who told me that. But lemon juice will help you lock your hair. So I said, okay. I told my sister to do it too, and she got locks. So, you know, I don't know. I have to check with her to see exactly how when it start locking, but it's gonna go through some stages. It's gonna go through budding stages. We're gonna talk about that in another video for the stages of starter locks. So look for that. Also probably do a video about coloring locks, washing locks. It's all gonna be starter locks right now because that's where we at. So anybody that's starting their journey, let me know. If you started your journey, let me know. If you're thinking about doing your journey, let me know. Your girl Jere want to know, honey. I want the tea. I want the tea. So thank you for tuning into my video with my starter tips, okay, and what you need to do and what you don't need to do. I might need to do a do's and don'ts video at one point. A lot of content coming your way, so thanks for tuning in to Jereslocs. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.